Hey Straight Pull fans, episode 26, again with an 18-degree cut. We'll be hitting the center of the second ball. Let's go ahead and see how we run this one out. All right, guys. I've set up the 3-ball angle again. We're going into the center of the second ball, or center of the 10 ball. I'm going to use a stun shot, so a dead center hit for me. And I'm going to hit this with a lot of force because, again, we don't have much angle. So dead center, a lot of force. Okay, pull players, with this slow motion hit, we can see exactly the directions the balls are going. It'd be pretty unlikely for me not to get any shot. I do seem to feel like I get a little lucky because I only have one ball underneath the stack, but let's go ahead and see how I run out. Okay, with the way that reacted, I believe the cue ball went forward a hair, so I got lower on the stack this way, which is actually ideal for the particular case I was in. But I'm going to hit a little follow play position on the 7, open up the rest of these balls. Insurance with the 2-ball. Okay, all I had to do was leave a little angle on the 7, and I refused to do that. So I'm going to go into them off the 2. I'll leave myself slightly jacked up, in the correct angle. Guys, those last 2 shots were a little bit, I'll say lucky, because I got bad on the first shot, and then I accepted a jacked up shot, a little bit out of frustration. But we're back in the running here, so I can play the 12-ball, or I can play the 15-ball in the corner. Let's play the 15 in the corner. Okay, I have the 10 as my break shot. I have the 4-ball as my key ball. I'm going to draw out. Guys, I'm actually going to draw back for the 8 here, so draw straight back for the 8. The 4. My cue ball seems to be all over the place today. Didn't get in any trouble by doing that, luckily. Play 13 in the 8. Play position on the 9 and the 1. Really, guys, I'm going for the 9, so let's just axe the 1. I'm going to draw back for the 1 now. Okay, another poorly executed shot. I'm going to play the 11 up table. Guys, actually, I'm going to play the 14. Okay, I'll play the 6. Play position for the 11 up table and the 1, same pocket as the 6. Okay, I got the 1, so I'll play position for the 11 up table. Stop for my last 2. Despite several poor plays, managed
managed to scramble my way out.
Okay, pool players, this obviously was more of a rhythm-based run out. If I do this frequently, I'm not going to run a lot of balls, but sometimes when you're starting a rack or starting a run, it's okay to play a little looser. Try to get in stroke, try to get in pocketing mode, get your arm loose and get back in the game. I don't recommend this for a long period of time. You do want to play a little more surgical, a little more, I'll say, calculated, but this has its advantages, especially opening up and getting loose. So I left this in so you guys could see a little bit of a different run. Hope you guys have a great day or night, and I'll see you at the next angle. Thanks for watching.